We have a very nice exponential growth problem. Population given is 20,000. Yearly increase rate given is 10%. We have to find the population after 5 years by using the exponential growth equation, which is y equals a b to the power x. Initial value given here is initial value. We can denote it as a is given as 20,000, which is the population. Then the increase rate given is r, which is 10%, and we can write it as 0.1, and we get the growth factor. Growth factor b by using 1 plus r, and we can put the value of r, which is 1 plus 0.1, and we could get the value of b as 1.1. So we got the initial value, which is a, the growth factor b, which is 1.1, and the time period given here is x equals 5, because we need to find the population after 5 years. So now putting the values, we'll get the value of y, which is the population after 5 years. So we get y equals a b to the power x. So the value of a is 20,000. The value of b is 1.1, and the value of x is 5. Then we can write 20,000 times, if we use exponential rules, we can get 1.1 to the power 5, which gives us the result as 1.61 approximately. If we multiply this with 20,000, we get 20,000 times 1.61 equals 32,200. So this is our result, which is the number of people or the population after 5 years. So we got our result from this problem by using exponential growth equation. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video.